Okay, I'm going to show you guys a really quick tutorial on how to create a watermark brush. So the first example I'm going to use, I'm just going to use a font um, watermark. So I would just type in my logo or whatever I wanted it to say. And then I would probably just resize it. I'd like to make them kind of big. So here I would highlight, oops, I would just highlight that and make the font bigger. Because once you set it up as a brush, you can resize it however you want to. And then you have to flatten the image down. You have to merge it down so that it's a flat file, so it's all one file. And then once you do that, you go up to Edit, Define Brush Preset, give your brush a name, so watermark, and then click OK. And so now I've created a watermark. You want to make sure your background is white and your logo or text is black, but that will allow you to change it as you would a normal brush. So if I go over to this as my example, I'm just going to resize it. That's a little big, but that's okay. We'll just do, it's zoomed in here. So let me just do actual pixels. Sorry about my messy desktop. So then I would go over to my brush. I like to create a duplicate layer or a new layer. You can either create a blank layer like this and adjust the settings in that layer, or you can just do a duplicate layer. But then you would have to make sure your opacity is what you want it for the logo. So then I go down to my brushes and I select my logo brush, and in this case I think black would work well. I have it at 50% opacity, and then just click it and there it is. You can also switch it and change it to white. You can't see that as much. If I went on the black, you could see it like that. Or you could even change the color and make it pink or whatever color you wanted to do. The other way to do that is if you have a logo. I'm just going to go over here. Like this one. This is my logo. I don't use it on my watermarks personally, but you can create a black and white logo into a watermark, same way you would do it with text, which is basically you go up to Edit, Define Brush Set, and I'm just going to call it watermark 2, and click OK. And then and see, now there's my watermark brush already. I'm going to resize it because it's awfully big. And oops, there we go. And there is the logo. I hope that helped you guys. Thanks.